Jai Hind. Again I am in front of you, and all the board students, you all have done a great history. So first of all, what you want to be, what type of interest you have, God bless you. I am clearing only one point, that's why I am giving this short video. How we get up early in the morning without alarm clock. It is the big problem. Yeah, I have also. But I am giving to you it. And just try it. Without alarm, you can get up. On which time you wanna get up? You can. There is a one simple thing only. You should use your power of your brain. How you can use that? After having dinner, you have to sit properly, or you can lay on bed. While laying on bed, you have to see the clock or watch or mobile screen. For justifying this, what is happening means what time is made by you or your clock. If it is 11 p.m. and you have to get up at 5:30, then you should see the screen and then close it, close your eyes and think, now it is 11, I have to take rest only for 6 hours, I will get up at 5. Close and sleep. Tomorrow you will awake exact that time. It will happen. You should try it. 613 student has been done it. That's why I am telling to you. Your eyes will be open. Maybe you will not get up. There is a big difference between awake and get up. So getting up is depending on you, and awake means open your eyes. It's by this method. It's only a science. Do it, then I will upload new thing. And best of luck. Jai Hind.